Hi. If you have ever looked into the mirror, you'd probably notice that you have your dad's nose or your mom's eye shape. The passing of traits from parents to offspring is called heredity, and genes are the key players within this process. If you recall, the DNA is stored within your cell's nucleus. By definition, a gene is a short segment of the DNA found on a chromosome within the nucleus of your cell. Let's think of it this way. A chromosome is an entire cookbook, while a gene is one specific recipe found within this cookbook. Each gene carries instructions for making one specific protein, the same way how one recipe tells you how to make one specific dish. It's important to know that genes do not directly create traits such as your eye color or height. Rather, they control what proteins can be made by your cells, and proteins are what actually build and control your body. The instructions in a gene are written in a genetic code using 4 bases. They are A, T, C, and G. The order of these bases determine the order of amino acid being produced, and these amino acids form a protein eventually. Different proteins lead to different characteristics. For example, people who are lactose intolerant lack a functional gene that makes the enzyme lactase, which helps break down sugars in milk. Therefore, if you do not have enough lactase, it is very difficult for you to digest milk. So to recap, a gene is a segment of the DNA. It acts as a recipe for making proteins, and it determines your traits by coding for specific proteins. That's it for today. Hope you now have a better understanding of what genes are.